Hello? Anyege. You guys letting your friends hit me and my sister. For what? I was upstairs. I was fucking Kolofelo. Me and Kolofelo were fucking. He got in the fucking room. But okay, I'm telling you. Hello? You were sleeping.
And you are busy
Hello?
knocking on the door.
Okay, hello? No. You're saying that you were fucking sleeping, right?
Yes.
I'm telling you that me and Kolofelo were fucking. We're fucking. Kanama. Mushimano akena. Have to get a one roja. He fucking brought another girl here. Then you go into the fucking bathroom. You still fucking swearing at me. Do you think I'll get aggravated for over some shit? Why do you know that another nigga brought me here? Hello, sorry.
Listen,
hello. Nike was trying to get my
yeah, but you don't want to listen to
hello. Hello. I got hello.
I'm doing the same
okay,
thing.
Let's say that I will sit down. Don't fucking get me aggravated. Khulufelo is the one who brought me here. I'm not gonna be fucking. I'm not psychotic. I'm not mad. I'm not psychotic. There's no way that I will fuck with another. I will fight with another guy over some bullshit. Your friend laid a hand on me. He laid a hand on my sister. Then you guys gonna come and talk that shit. It's fine. If you guys are fucking protecting me, I'm worried for the police. And you show me I'm psychotic. I'm mad.
No, I'm psychotic.
Yes, I'm mad. I'm mad. I'm psychotic. So
we just
wait
like
for
to
the fucking
apologize
police.
for whatever happened here.
You guys will let him escape wherever he's escaping, but says I'm tall.
We just like to apologize for whatever.
No, we're not apologizing for anything. Me, I'm not that bitch. I'm not that one who's gonna be. No, okay, like I don't like that shit side. I've never been beaten by any man or any relationship. I've never been in any abusive. But for me, to meet a nigga at a club, to bring me here, when I get here, his friend is trying to fight me and my fucking sister. Not even a sister that I met, good to know, but my blood sister. You beat me, or you violent me, or you young too, or anything. Then after that, you're gonna beat my fucking sister. It's not gonna happen. I'm gonna make you guys. If you guys are not gonna believe it. We're gonna see today what's gonna happen. I'm gonna show you. If you guys are trying to protect him, we're gonna see flames today. Let's see it today. I'm ready for it. I'm here. I'm up for the whole show.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Ayicha emhlabeni osikuva konke sikubona konke yatrenda le video sabalele lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana yentombatane oyalwa ivuka ngelilaka. So le ntombatane lona beyetshwaleni bebase Cape Town etshwaleni. That like is some sort of club. So abafika lapha etshwaleni kunabo bobodi baba sweep bahambe nabo emakhaya. Uma bamuka nabo lena they were smashing this lady lowe crop top nebhandile libovu. Uyakhuluma ukuthi laphana lo body the other guy the one logqoke isikepha lesiblack lofake isandla esikhwameni ufike wamthola smesha na one of the guys lapha hlangane naye clubini. Uyasho ukuthi we were smashing mina nalo guy bezidlana ngenyama, or meaning they didn't use the protection. When awafika la ndlini wangithuka wangibita ngade F word. So now the girl is angry kokuthi ayibo ngithukelani wayengibide ngesifebe sebayalwa uvuka ngelilaka ugirl kokuthi vele ufuna kufonelana nemaphoyisa njengoba sembona kwatile ukuthi wayengibide ngesifebe ngalana nini senifuna kulala nami niphenze nilale nasesi wami hebana into letendeka lapha eCape Town. Oh dear tools, imagine meeting people at club and you don't even know that person ulala naye but ulala naye nangenyama. Umuntu uqala kumbona ungamati ulala naye ngenyama uhlangane naye lo muntu eklabini. Like, does that make sense? Does it make sense? I-health yakho, you don't think about your health, you don't care cause lo muntu yagula. Like guys, kwendakalani kahle ngemantombazane ase-South Africa? Yolala nemuntu ohlangana naye etshwaleni ngenyama. Like really? Iyatrenda ke le video. Abantu abaningi they are shocked ukuthi ayibo girl uze uyareveala ukuthi they are sleeping badlana flesh. Do comment your thoughts when down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.